This is by Kate Garcia. What is natural remedy for depression? So for depression, the best thing that you can do is, if you're familiar with this plant, the kava kava plant, okay, you can take that. You can take that as a tea. Also, St. John's wort, you can take that. Again, magnesium, pixie dust. I told you this is my favorite. This is my favorite right now. Helped me so much. So pixie dust, you can take it 1 teaspoon 3 times a day, and also manganese. Okay, those are just some of the natural medicine that you can take. Okay, schizophrenia, yan. So, if you have mental hallucination, auditory and visual hallucination with schizophrenia. Actually, before I left my country, I was on the verge of creating a product for schizophrenia. But for you, all of you, I will tell you right now, the ones that can really help you with schizophrenia, you might want to try, it's manganese. Manganese, okay. So you try po nyo yan. You can use manganese for depression, schizophrenia. Let's try it, yan. I have never tried it yet in schizophrenic patient, but it's, you know, it doesn't hurt to try, okay. For anxiety disorder, you can use manganese, magnesium. Also, you can use kava kava plant, and the St. John's wort. Yan. So these are the plants that can help you if you're having some anxiety disease. Okay. And of course, prayer. So magnesium is essential in our health, because without magnesium we will die. In fact, in a lot of cases right now, if a person had leukemia, lymphoma, or some form of osteosarcoma, they're actually deficient in magnesium. That's why it's important to take a lot of magnesium. Now, magnesium is, I think for me, is the one of the best, like a magic, really, because it's important in treatment of seizure disorders, hypertension, depression, cancer, diabetes, you name it. And magnesium will be the one to take care of it. And magnesium is important in 600 enzymatic reactions in the body. Imagine 600 enzymatic reactions in the body. And if you are devoid with magnesium, guess what's gonna happen to those 600 enzymatic activities in your body? It's gonna go down. So it's not gonna go further. And that is detrimental to our health. So, how do you know if you're taking a lot of magnesium? Well, magnesium is found in green leafy vegetables. So, these green leafy vegetables, the ones that are green, they are usually rich in magnesium. And magnesium is actually the economics of cell, okay? In the plants, at least in the plants, because the chlorophyll, the one that makes the plant green, or the one that converts the sun energy to a food energy, which is the sugar, okay, this is due to the chlorophyll. And in the middle of that chlorophyll is magnesium. So without magnesium, life is impossible. So take your magnesium. Magnesium is great for you. I cannot emphasize it again and again. Okay? So, another one. Another mineral, honey. You tell me. Manganese.
That's what I was going to say. I was going to say manganese.
So, you know, manganese is important, okay? Because some people, they would ask me, like, manganese, so you know that the beautiful thing about manganese is that it's important for the bones, right? And do you know that it's actually important also for depression and for schizophrenia? So, if one of your relatives is having schizophrenic attack or paranoia, you can actually use manganese. Some of them, they are deficient in manganese. So, the foods that are rich in manganese, they are again green leafy vegetables and